The SDFM electric duster. These things are awesome. A little while ago I had one that was smaller and I loved it. Just a small bite-sized device that can generate a ridiculous amount of air force. So when you get this guy, try to drop him immediately. So when you get this guy, you get everything you need to hit the ground running. You have the duster itself with one of the nozzles on. You have a cute little cleaning set. It says gift on the side of it. Very kind of them to be giving gifts like that. Inside we're going to have our cover, a few more nozzles, and also some brushes in case you got to be doing any kind of delicate work. And I mean, they give you a really wide array of brushes. On my previous one, I had a couple of brushes, and I use them whenever I was trying to get into any kind of small outlets. Let's say I was trying to clean out the charging port on my phone, or let's say that I wanted to get in somewhere where there's in between my keyboard where the keys are. This would be great for it. You get a nice like sway cover case for it. Feels very nice to the touch. We have a few more heads in here, a wide nozzle and a longer nozzle. This has been my default for most of my work. Also a flat nozzle. Now that's all good. Oh, and of course a charging cable. Now that's great. That all cleans up very nicely. You have an instruction manual on there. So you're gonna have two buttons. You're gonna have one on the front, one on the rear. The one on the rear is gonna have three lights there. We'll hold down this one on the back with the X in it and the three lights to turn it on. Those three lights are gonna be your different power settings. Light, medium, high. And on the front is kind of the trigger. So let's pop in one of the heads. It goes in circularly here, click in. And when you hold down the trigger in the front, it starts to blow immediately. That's the third speed on it. And you know what, talking about it is great, but it's probably gonna be better if we actually try it. And I have something to show you that is just filthy. The bed of my K-truck. It's been standing out here through the winter, through the fall, through the spring. The leaves have been falling. I'm a little embarrassed at what you're about to see, but please forgive me in advance. Alrighty, so as you can see, the leaves are caked. If I were to break them up a little bit, because that is really caked in there, it flies off right away. So great tool to have. Oh, we have some more. Great tool to have if you want to just clean something, annoy your wife. All jokes aside, I love it because it's small, it's compact, and it carries a crazy punch to it. So whether you're actually cleaning anything out in the car, which I do use it frequently, cleaning out tool cases, cleaning out anything like the bed of my truck or the interior, or if you're using it inside, let's say for a laptop or anything else that gets dusty and dirty. One thing I wish is that we had a nozzle that could go smaller, though I do believe that maybe the air capacity is going to be limiting the diameter that we have here. Hope you found this helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.